Hello, welcome to TechSport. This video will demonstrate the installation of Commvault 11 on Windows 2016 server. I'm using a server which is in Google Cloud, and it's 2016 Data Centers edition. Yep, it's a standalone server. It's 2016 Data Center edition. And okay, let's begin with the installation. I have downloaded the file and program files, Commvault installer. I'll start with executing the setup.exe. Just agree the license agreement, and you don't have normally a next here, but yeah, it's slightly different than Commvault 10. Just click on next. This can be used to download the package and you can install. I have already downloaded the package. You can just install the package, click next. Here we are going to select whatever components we need. Okay, as this is a Commvault server, I'll select the CommServe. By default, you can see web server, web console, workflow engine are selected by default. I'll also select CommServe console. I don't want to use a media agent on CommServe, and I'm not selecting it. If you are using CommServe and media agent as the same server, you can use it. Let's click on next. Yeah, you can see on version 10, it will be on C program files, Commvault, then the directory is Simpana. Here it's changed to condensed store. I'm installing on C drive. Click on next. Yeah, I'm sorry. This was a database installation path. On the same path, I'm installing it. Click on next. We have to give the disaster recovery path to install it. I'll just give local path because I don't have any other machine. Normally, we can give any other system. I'll give my temp directory. Later, I'll change it. For a temporary purpose, I'll give it as ctemp. Click next. I'll click next. This is installation summary. Yeah, it's preparing to install. Installation is completed. I just need to do some configuration, and that my client name and the host name. Uh, it's most of the time it's same, as this is a standalone system. I don't have an FQDN. If you are using a domain system, you can type the complete name FQDN in the host name field. Click next. You can either create new databases or you can use existing ones. Here I'll create new databases because it's a fresh new installation. Installation part is completed. The admin account password we need to configure. You can enter the email address if you need an email address, but I'm not entering. I'll type the password. Click next. Oh, I'm sorry. Email address has to be entered. It's mandatory. I'll just type the email address. Next. Now installation and configuration and the registration part is completed. You can see the console. It's the admin console can be accessed, and this is for the web console. Okay, I'll just click on finish. Now the installation is completed. I'll just go and open and see the comp. So yeah, this is the admin console. I'll type admin and the password which I configured. Yeah, you can see it's opened. You can see there is a reminder license must be activated by March 22nd, 2018, which means my license is not yet activated. If you have a license file, you can just download it from your Commvault site, and you can just give the location here and apply it. And if you wanted to change the email address, you can change here and just click on apply. I'll just close this. You can see it's an evaluation version. I'll close it. Yep, the Commvault installation is completed. Looks like uh, not much changes. Few changes in the uh, view. You can see client computers. It's all same. You can see firewall topology and a day and test and the compute servers. I think these three in I mean these three are new in Commvault 11, and obviously the icon is changed, and you have a matrix here. Okay, and coming forward, we'll look each new components, and we'll start configuring the combo backup environment. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment for more videos. Thank you.